Who can believe it? I know, a Generation 1 Tundra. The worst truck I ever bought. Believe it. So you're probably asking why I bought another truck. Well, I was stranded in New Hampshire on the SO23 rescue.
What?
What are you thinking?
We're not gonna make it home.
Not gonna make it home? You don't think that'll pull it?
Yeah.
He's talking odd state fee, 2-state over fee, dirt bike fee, dirt road fee, murder shack fee, Leatherface lives up there, weekend fee, hot and sunny, humid. What else you got?
Very desolate fee here. We're like out in the middle of nowhere. Dirt road fee.
Dirt road.
All-terrain tires.
Horsefly fee. It's killing me. Killing me. It's getting expensive. So Saturday night at 10:30 p.m. I found this listing. You can see it's a nice clean truck from the pictures. Interior is very clean. Frame looks good here and here. Newer exhaust system. Tires are good. And here. This was the frame issue that he showed. Yep, I sent him a deposit that night, got back to Connecticut the following day, and then we made the drive to go pick up the truck. There's the new rescue vehicle. No, not the Corvette. So when we got there, I was pleasantly surprised. It presents well. It's a clean truck. We popped the hood, and lo and behold, there's the bulletproof 4.7 I-Force V8 engine. It came with a new battery, which I already stole and put in the Infinity. Oil was clean. So we fired it up. No exhaust leaks, sound mint. Timing belt, tensioner. I'm getting excited. As you know, I'm not a cap guy, but it does have a cap. Time, however, has come. Go have a look at that rust. So I crawled down under, and I took a look. And I tried to find good metal to attach my replacement metal to. And I felt pretty confident I could fix this. Oof, yeah. And then after seeing that body mount, I started thinking to myself, Musty One could fix this. Yeah, so now it's day 2 of me crawling under this thing at home. And the more I look, the more I find. So you can see where the U-bolt attaches to the rear axle. Yeah, there's not a lot of metal there. This side's a little better, but not much. Driver's side, this part's pretty bad. So then I got back here and I was like, somebody actually installed a trailer hitch on this not that long ago. Because even the rear mount is like super crispy. The bed has your typical few holes, soft spots, minor. The crazy part is I believe they're still replacing 2000 or 2003 frames if your crossmember tire area is rotted. And it's like not even rotted. It's just crazy because the rockers are not rusted. This side's really not bad right here. Shock area is pretty crispy. And again, it's unfortunate because this thing shifts great, runs great, newer exhaust system. So it's like day 3 now of going back out to look it over. What did I do? What did I buy? Don't tell Jen anything. Although I did say, the more I look, the more I find. That didn't go well. Here's where it really gets bad. You can't see the front frame from under the hood. No, this is not the Larry backlight technique. I mean, look at that frame. That is crisp. That's not even crisp, that's just gone. It's even worse on this side, look at that. That's just gone. I would not recommend hooking to that and pulling. And then I thought, well, yeah. And then of course Jen's standing here, so I can't, if she sees me, she'll just, I pierced the toast! I pierced the toast! So what do I do? Ah! I left this open on my Infiniti last night, going to the shop. $150 trolling motor. Whoop, right out the back. I just heard this wrench fall out. Okay, heard the wrench fall out. My freaking trolling engine motor batteries fell out. I don't know what else I lost. I'm shot. Right. Not good. Losing it. So I didn't get the truck up to any significant speed. He lived on a dead end, but just the front end felt tight. The brakes were okay. I don't know if you can hear that humming now, but once I got it up to speed, it had a hum to it. He thought it was the brakes. Definitely not the brakes. Might be a CV. But it's just a real shame because the front end of this thing is super tight. It's tighter than my other trucks. Engine runs great. Shifts nice. Shifts hard, like good hard. Although after looking underneath it, I don't punch it anymore. I shouldn't even be driving it. Guys, we're supposed to be leaving for New Hampshire, but we've got truck problems, as usual. Yeah, I know. Everything of mine is always broken. So as some of you know, got some drivetrain issues with the Tundra. Josh and I drove up last time. The good news, Josh and I hit the MX track. Josh's first time, got to take his little RM85 blender out there, rip around. My first ride on the RMZ 450. I bought this back in December. It was sitting in the dining room. Yeah, no place to put it. So what's wrong with the Tundi? I don't know. Drivetrain, horrendous sounds. So then we got this Salsa Red 2003 while sitting in the cabin in New Hampshire. 10:30 at night. I'm on Facebook Marketplace. Poof! 03 4x4 access cab. Love it. Clean truck, right? Look at this thing. Yeah. Smells good. Looks good. Rockers are still in it. I'm not a cab guy, but it's got a cab cap. It's got typical 03 paint issues. I bought an 03 down in Florida, brand new. Same terrible paint issues. So we can't drive this, and you know it's not registered. So let's go to truck number 3. That brings us to this beauty. 02, I believe. Sequoia. Bought this pre-COVID. It's been sitting for 3 years. I decided to go through it today. Yeah, let's get this thing driving. Took the good tires off of that Tundra because these rims and tires were dry rotted. So we've got good rims and tires. Clean the heck out of this thing. It smells like rubber because I had tires stored in it. Is a limited. Don't mind the mess. Didn't I say I just cleaned this? I was throwing parts from other vehicles, but it's not bad. It smells a little funky, but so this I actually got registered. Why am I not driving this? Well, that rear caliper's sticking a little bit and that's getting hot. I got a almost 4 hour drive. Don't think that's gonna make it. And when I swapped the wheels out, those pads were crispy, as was the caliper. Now what do? I just went and got the $1,000 SUV. I stopped driving this because I towed Dubworks' car home, his sports bug, and it was going into limp mode. Dubworks, what gear are we in?
We're in neutral gear.
Oh, neutral.
We're in the neutral gear.
This thing's going though.
We're going uphill.
We're going uphill in neutral. Fuel pump issue. It's got all kinds of electrical demons, gremlins. Dash lights don't come on, go off. Speedo, everything goes crazy, right? Every VDC, SDC, TBC, every traction control light known to mankind is on this thing. But it's got a great engine. What are these? The 5.6 32 valve? I don't know. So the plan is to take Orca, as I call it, this 07 Infiniti QX56. I'll order the rear calipers and pads and rotors for this. salsa, I don't even know. But as you know, I gotta get these trucks out of the driveway because Jen is never a fan when she can't get in the driveway. So hopefully we made it. Hopefully the SO23 went on the trailer and we made it home. Well, we did make it back, guys, but with a different VW, the 1960. That rescue took 10 hours. It was a drive home with the old Infinity that we're gonna leave tonight with. Good idea. So thanks for all the comments on this rescue. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this guy gets us up and back. So just a quick midweek update video. Saturday, hopefully we'll have another VW on this trailer. Thanks again for dropping in all the comments. I appreciate it. Make it a great week. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys.